Welcome all of you. So today's topic is about certificates of conformity. So as we already discussed about so many things about the regulations and all, so now it is a certificates of conformity. Now what is certificates of conformity? Certificates we know when we need to certify anything, then we use the word certificates, and conformity means that anything which are in the conform, like there where the any conformity assessment has been done or conformance for in context of the medical device, that medical device is conformance performance having that there this its performance is conformance or not, or the conformity of performance or conformity of its functions. So any kind of things, maybe the function, maybe the design, maybe the product developments. So conformity assessment, everything comes under the conformity assessments. So they just want to assure any medical device manufacturer they conform with their protocol, development, design, functioning and everything. So as an overall we can say the conformity assessment. So certificates of conformity is that when any medical device has follows everything and any medical device has gone through the all conformity assessments, then we can rely on that medical device and we can issue the certificates of conformity. So certificates of conformity is that. Now who issue these certificates of conformity, it is important. So EUMDR or regulatory bodies also issuing these certificates of conformity. On the same time, manufacturer also declare the certificates of conformity. They also show the certificates of conformity, because any medical device manufactured at the manufacturer site, so what protocol they have followed, what methodology they have followed, what this IQ, OQ and other things they had performed, quality analysis what they had performed. So they need to document each and everything. So they need to also show and produce a document that we have done conformity assessment from our side. Now regulatory bodies assess those conformity assessment including their own, and they can issue the certificates of conformity from their sides. Then those, so it is come from the both sides. Regulatory bodies also issuing the certificates of conformity. On the same time, manufacturer also document certificates of conformity, produce documents of conformities, certificates of conformities. So they have the transparency, like they have performed the whole the required protocol, they had followed every required protocol, they followed every standard and everything. So whenever any medical device having the certificates of conformity from the regulatory or notified body, it means that medical device has gone through the all conformity assessments, and that is why they have the ISO standards, they follow the protocols whichever they need to follow. So they are in the proper shape and form and functions and everything. So this is all about the certificates of conformity. So we understand certificates of conformity, who issue the certificates of conformity, regulatory bodies also and manufacturer also on the same times. And what the regulatory bodies doing the assessments of their certificates of conformity from the manufacturer sides also. So they assessing the conformity assessment, and they assessing the conformity assessment of the technical documentations and all. They assessing those things also. So that is the one thing. And this conformity of assessment and certificate issuing, this frequency or time period of such things is become very like it's varies according to the device types. So if there is a class 3 device or any device which is critical like class 3 device, so our high risk devices, so definitely their assessment parameters are different, and for the low risk device their assessment parameters are different. So the certificate the conformity certificates of conformities, it gives us confidence to users, to clinicians, to doctors, or to anyone that this medical device is safe and sound and we can use for our patient, for our therapy, for our medical purposes. So they're giving the confidence for this. And certificates of conformity is one of the technical document which is going to submitted by the manufacturer to the regulatory or notified bodies to assessing such things. And so only after that they can get a various certifications and all. Even for the CE certification also, they need to give this conformity assessments of documentation, technical documentation. So certificates of conformity from the manufacturer side, it is a part of the technical documentations. Now if you get approved from these notified bodies or regulatory bodies, then it's going to help you to get CE certifications and all standard marking for your medical devices. So this is all about the certificates of conformity. So I hope you understand. I'm just summarizing once again. Certificates conformity can be produced by the regulatory bodies also and can be produced by the manufacturer also. Regulatory bodies assessing the conformity assessments of the manufacturer also. Okay. The second, what is the conformity assessment? Certificates of conformity. It signifies that all conformity assessment has been taken at their places for each and every medical devices. Once again, the conformity assessment parameters for each device type, they can be different, and the frequency of issuing the certificates conformity again for the device type can be different. And fourth thing, certificates of conformity is a part of technical documentation which is going to submit by the manufacturer to the regulatory bodies or notified bodies. Okay, so this is all about the certificates of conformity. We will meet with some another topic in some another video. So till then, bye, take care.